Hi, this is Cheryl back with you from Farmhouse Frugally, and it is another thrift flip road trip, which is always so much fun. Today I am doing an old-fashioned Christmas. I have 4 or 5 items that I got either on the good table at the dump or very, very cheap when I thrifted them, and I'm going to just turn them into something old-fashioned Christmas. And I am going to start with this old paintbrush. And it was on the good table at the dump, and a lot of you have asked me what that means. Our dump allows you to go to a section that is designated to put anything that is still good on 4 or 5 tables that are set up, and you can take and leave whatever you want. And people in this town leave some crazy good stuff. So a couple days a week, it's open for a couple of hours a day. So I found this paintbrush, and I have been wanting to make one of those cute little Santa Claus out of a paintbrush. So I decided to start by just painting the bulk of the brush itself white, and then to put the handle in a burgundy red color for the hat. And then once that is dry, I just mixed up some colors until I got a peachy color for the face. Now I just went ahead and just made a oval for the face, and then I just took some red and some pinks and just put in a little bit of, cheeks and a little red nose and tiny little lips, and then some eyes. And then once I had the face on, I went and added some baking soda to my white paint so that I could add a snowy beard and hair, and also like a little bit of a thick fuzzy or furry brim to the hat. So this is of course completely up to you if you want to recreate this to make it look like the kind of Santa that you want it to look like, but I thought that it was really cute. Don't forget the bushy eyebrows. And once you have the little face on there, that's pretty much all there is to it. I decided to embellish the hat just a little bit, and that I think came out absolutely adorable. Very simple, in most cases free, certainly under $1, and just a little pop of color. It could hang from a Christmas tree as an ornament. It would make a really sweet little gift. But anyway, I just added a little bit of a hanger in the hole and then just embellished that. But before I finish and show you that, let me remind you, this is the Thrift Flip Road Trip that is hosted by Sammy, that is hosted by the Crafting Cousins, and the guest host is Tammy this month. Now, check out their channels and the playlist in the description, and there is a super duper giveaway with this. Lots and lots of giveaways, in fact. So stay to the end to check that out. So I just added a little bit of the greens and a little bit of some berries at the top with that ribbon and a little snowflake, and that is it for this sweet little first thrift flip for this road trip. So check out that. I hope you'll recreate these. These are so cute and so fun. Make a great gift for somebody. And that takes me on to item number 2. Now, I had found a bunch of these blocks at the good table at my dump that somebody had peeled the stamp off of and just left the wooden blocks behind. So I cleaned them, sanded them, and then painted them white. And then once the paint was dry, I just sanded them about the edges just to give that a little bit of a distressed look, and then printed on rice paper some sweet little images for gingerbreads. And then I just used my paintbrush and some water and went around those, peeled those off of that, and then I decoupaged one on each of these blocks. And then once I had them decoupaged on, I took out some little greens and some little berries and some fabric that I had on hand to make a bow, and a little bit more of those cute little wooden snowflakes, and I embellished the top of each one with those. I was going to do something with these little graphics for my gingerbread day on the 12 days of Christmas, and I just ran out of time, and so I wanted to just do that here and add them to my little cake stand on my kitchen island. And this spice jar is one of the things that I made in that. If you missed it, you can check out that. And I think that these look absolutely adorable, and I just love anything gingerbread, so hopefully you will enjoy. If you do, please hit like and share with someone else. Now, I was going through my Christmas stuff, and I came across my angel that I generally put on top of my tree, or have it many years and times past, and I have never been a fan of this straw hair. So again, if you saw one of my thrift flips on the 12 days of Christmas, I had found a doll, a really adorable doll, at the Goodwill bins, and I tore off her hair and I made her some braids out of some alpaca fiber that I have on hand since I'm a spinner. So I decided to do the same thing with this little angel. So I just split that off, made 2 braids, one on each side, leaving the top plain, tied those off, and then I took a little fluff left over and made a little bit of a bun out of my, just fluffing that with my fingers, twirling that around and gluing that on, and just clipped off the ends, cleaned it up a bit, glued it on so that it looked good, tucked the ends underneath where her arms are holding the heart, and that came out adorable. I like it so much better, and that's all I'm going to do to this sweet little angel. But it's funny what one little thing can do to take just something that's tired, something you might already have in your, in your stuff. And this was something that my mother-in-law made many, 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 many years ago when my children were young, and so I wanted to keep her, but she really just needed a refresh. Now, another item I found on the good table at my dump was this little metal ball on a chain, and I wasn't sure what it was, but I did find them on Amazon, some kind of a solar light you can hang out in your trees. It didn't come with a light. It didn't have anything but just the ball itself, but my daughter had given me 2 of these little votive candles, and you just turn the light on from the bottom. So I thought maybe they'll fit, and they fit absolutely perfect. And I added a little candle ring that I had in my stash, which had some sugared cranberries on it, and tucked the 2 of them together on this adorable little orb. But of course I want to embellish it a little bit more, and so I just took a piece of gingham check fabric, some greenery, and some little red berries, put that all together and tied that on with a little Noel sign, and I love it. I have posted 14 videos in the last few weeks, so check those out if you haven't already. I kept this one short and sweet because it has been busy, 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 but here is the giveaway information.
Welcome to the Thrift Flip Road Trip. Today we're kicking off an exciting open challenge hosted by Unicorn Dust Designs, Crafting Cousins, and our special guest co-host Tammy from Happiness Created. Watch as talented creators breathe new life into forgotten treasures, transforming them into something extraordinary. November is Subscriber Appreciation Month, and as a thank you for your amazing support, we're giving away fabulous prizes to 9 lucky winners. Here's what you could win: a box of craft supplies from Crafting with Indy Annie Jones, a Deluxe Easy Bow Maker from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, a Creative Memories card kit from Creative Pages with Catherine, Cordless electric scissors from Crafting Up a Storm with Shar, a hobby knife set and self-healing cutting mat from Happiness Created, a Brayer Set from I'm Merely Melissa, a $50 Amazon gift card from DIY with Aria, a $50 Amazon gift card from Crafting Cousins, and a $100 Visa gift card from CJ DIY. To enter, watch the November Thrift Flip Road Trip playlist and comment on your favorite project from each creator. Remember, you must leave a comment on every video in the playlist to be eligible to win. Mark your calendar for Saturday, November 23rd, when we'll announce the winners on our community tabs. Due to shipping costs, this giveaway is open to U.S. residents only. Don't miss out on your chance to win. Follow the playlist in the description box below and spread the love.
Don't forget to hit subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss the winners of those amazing giveaways. And don't forget to check out the playlist of all the other creators. I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much for stopping by. Take care.